Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my wash and go shaking and moving. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I grab is my water bottle. I gotta moisturize this hair. I can't just leave it dry because I did use a lot of gel. And so I just want to make sure the hair is moisturized. So I spray all around it, all in through it, get it as wet without getting it soaking wet as possible. Then I grab my leave-in conditioner. I'm still using the Ginger Hawaiian leave-in. I haven't figured out if I like it yet. The smell is a little tough for me to handle, but it's not my particular smell that I like, but I just kind of rub that through and just kind of get it on tops of it. It does seem to moisturize my hair as much as it can with the little bit that I have. Then I grab my Aunt Jackie's sealant. Now I really love this. I might start using this by itself without the leave-in and that, because that just really keeps my hair moisturized for at least 2 or 3 days, which is good for me. So I go rub that all in. I even get in between some spots just to really make sure it's getting as much moisture in as possible, as you see me doing that there. And then I grab my shea butter and go ahead and seal all that moisture in with this shea butter. If you see me looking over, I'm watching Miss Congeniality while I'm doing my hair, so you'll see me look over and watch that, because who doesn't love that movie? Again, doing the same motion, just going back and forth, not doing my best not to get too much frizz or to disturb the curls too much. Then I go ahead and I just put my hair in sections, and whatever sections they want to go into, and I try not to like pull them apart. I kind of just let it go easily, and then I go ahead and braid them down. I got this method from another YouTuber. I can't think of it right now, but once I find it and remember it, I'll put her channel down in the description. And that's how I do my hair to kind of keep the curls. I don't braid it all the way down. I do leave a little bit of the curly ends at the bottom, and that really kept my hair in a wash and go for about a week. And I hope that I did decide that wash and goes may not be for me. I'm not quite sure, because it was really hard detangling on wash day, and I don't know if it's because I need a trim or because of the wash and goes. So once I get a trim, I'm gonna try them again. But that is that. I'm running out of things to say and I'm rambling, so let me just speed forward so you see all the stuff that I did. Okay, so now that that's all done, I use my growth oil around my edges. My edges are really bad. I got this also from another YouTuber. I'll leave her page down below, and I just rub it in on all the little sparse edges on the back and in the front. And then after I use that, I use the Do Grow on top of that. And I go ahead and put it in the same spots. I don't massage it in this time. I just kind of just rub it in, and I don't use it every night. I use it every other night, but I do use the drops every night. So that is it. That is my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.